Welcome to Bike Buzzin', your go-to spot for all things motorcycles. In today's video, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Kawasaki KX65. This mini moto machine has been a favorite for young riders for years, and Kawasaki has taken it to the next level for 2025. Whether you're looking for your child's first dirt bike, or you're just curious about the KX65's latest updates, we've got you covered. So, let's jump right into it. Design and aesthetics. When it comes to the design of the 2025 KX65, Kawasaki continues its tradition of offering sleek, modern aesthetics. The bike now sports the iconic green color scheme that Kawasaki is known for, with sharp graphics and a bold look that will make any young rider feel like a pro on the track. The bike has been updated with a new bodywork design that not only improves the bike's appearance but also enhances rider ergonomics. The new design makes the KX65 feel more compact and agile, perfect for kids who are still growing into their dirt bike skills. The seat height and geometry have been fine-tuned to ensure a comfortable fit for riders in the 6 to 11-year-old range, allowing them to gain confidence and control as they ride. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 KX65 is a powerful 64cc two-stroke engine. This engine delivers the perfect blend of power and smoothness for young riders. The engine is designed to provide enough performance to keep more experienced young riders challenged, while also being manageable for beginners who are just getting started. Kawasaki has refined the power delivery this year, making it smoother and more controllable, which is especially important for novice riders. The KX65 features a liquid-cooled system to help keep the engine temperatures in check, ensuring consistent performance during long rides. The engine's lightweight design also helps maintain the overall agility of the bike, which is crucial when riding on tight trails or navigating challenging terrain. Suspension and handling. The suspension system on the 2025 KX65 is one of its standout features. With a front telescopic fork and a rear monoshock, Kawasaki ensures that this bike can handle a variety of terrains, from smooth trails to rough tracks. The suspension offers adjustable settings, allowing the rider, or parent, to fine-tune the bike for different conditions and rider preferences. The front fork is designed to soak up bumps while providing stability, while the rear monoshock ensures a smooth ride with ample travel to absorb jumps and rough patches. This allows the KX65 to handle aggressive riding whether your child is taking on dirt jumps or navigating a rocky trail. The bike's overall handling is precise and responsive, giving young riders the confidence to push their limit. Brakes and tires. Braking performance is critical for any dirt bike, especially for young riders who are still developing their skills. The 2025 Kawasaki KX65 features front and rear disc brakes that offer excellent stopping power. The brake system is designed to provide smooth, controlled stops even in wet or muddy conditions, making it ideal for both novice and intermediate riders. In terms of tires, the KX65 comes equipped with knobby tires that are perfect for off-road riding. These tires provide a strong grip on a variety of surfaces, from loose dirt to packed trails. Whether your young rider is racing through the sand or tackling some muddy obstacles, these tires are designed to offer traction and stability to help them stay in control. Safety features and ease of use. Kawasaki understands that safety is a top priority when it comes to kids' dirt bike. The KX65 features a sturdy, reliable frame that provides excellent protection in case of a fall. The bike's low seat height and lightweight frame make it easy for younger riders to handle, and the controls are intuitive, helping kids focus on the fun, not on figuring out how the bike works. The bike also includes features like a smooth shifting 6-speed transmission that helps young riders learn and master gear shifting at their own pace. Kawasaki has ensured that the bike's clutch action is light and easy to use, so kids can focus on building their skills without feeling overwhelmed. Price and availability. The 2025 Kawasaki KX65 is available for purchase at Kawasaki dealerships and through online retailers. As for the price, the KX65 is positioned as an affordable option for parents who want a high-performance dirt bike that will grow with their child. The price may vary depending on location and dealership, but it typically falls within the mid-range for youth motocross bikes. Given its durability and performance, it represents a solid investment for young riders looking to develop their dirt biking skills. Conclusion. Is the 2025 KX65 worth it? To sum it up, the 2025 Kawasaki KX65 is an exceptional choice for young riders looking to take their skills to the next level. With its powerful engine, advanced suspension system, and lightweight design, this bike provides both performance and safety in a compact, kid-friendly package. Whether your child is just starting out or is already gaining some experience, the KX65 offers the perfect balance of power, comfort, and handling to suit their needs. If you're looking for a bike that will inspire confidence and help your young rider progress, the KX65 is a fantastic option. We hope this review has given you a clear understanding of what the 2025 model has to offer. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Buzzin', and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more dirt bike reviews, tips, and news. See you on the trails.